assignment, we're going to take a look at step number 2, the goal seek. Here it says, use the goal seek to determine the total finished square footage to meet a total cost goal of $350,000. So the idea with this spreadsheet here is that we want to build a house, and we want to know what it's going to cost us to build this house. Right now, we think we want a house that's about 3,600 square feet, but that brings our budget up to over $400,000. And what we're saying is, gosh, we really need to make a budget limit of $350,000. We can't really spend more than that. So how much smaller do we need to make the square footage? Okay, so I'm on the data tab, forecast group, what if, and there's my goal seek. We want to set cell, what is that, B25, to a value of $350,000. That's what the instructions tell us. We want to cap this at $350,000. That's what we want to spend. And what we want to tell Excel is we're willing to change the total square footage, which is B7. You know, we could change other things. Maybe I could change I'd not have hardwood floors or not have tile or whatever. But for our assignment, we're asking to change that variable, total square footage. Okay, I'm going to click OK. Watch the total estimate amount and the total square footage amount as they run through. And did you